Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check Instagram login history. Friends, if you have logged into your Instagram account from some public or non-reliable device, then you can check your Instagram login history and log out from unknown devices. So to check Instagram login history, you need to open Instagram app. Now here you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Press on setting and privacy. In setting and privacy, press on account center. Now in account center, you need to press on password and security. Now here you need to press on where are you logged in. Now press on your Instagram account. Now here you will see the list of devices in which you have logged in your Instagram account. You can log out your Instagram account from all the devices by pressing select all and press on log out. Also you can log out to an individual device by pressing on the device name and press on log out for that individual device. So friends, like this you can very easily check Instagram login history and if required then log out from any unknown device. So friends, I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.